How to copy any comments on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy any comment on TikTok fast and easy method. So all what you have to do is go to TikTok. Now let's just choose this video for example. Now if you want to copy any comment, just go to the comment section and choose a comment here. Let's copy for example this one, click on it and keep clicking like this, and you will have the option of copy. Now the comment is copied successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.